Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a second space on Xiaomi Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones. And if you want to secure your data and maybe install another apps, you can do it. On this phone you can create a second space. For that, go to settings and tap on additional settings. Here go down and we have here second space. Now from here you can turn it on. Just tap here and now it's creating second space. Wait for a few seconds and now it's switching and it's creating successfully. Now tap continue. And from here you can switch between these two spaces by using a password or using a shortcut. I recommend using a password and tap continue. And now you need to set the second space password. Tap set now. And now confirm the first space password. So this is for the first space. And now set the pattern for the second space. And again. And tap confirm. And also you can set a fingerprint if you want to switch faster. Here I will tap skip. And now we are in the second space. So this is the second space, and here you can install another apps. Now to switch to the first space, we have two options. The first one, you can tap here on this switch icon, or the second way, just draw the pattern for the first space. So this is the pattern for the first space, and now I'm in the first space. Now to switch back to the second space, you can do it from settings. You need to go again to additional settings, second space, and you can go from here, tap and draw the pattern, or from the lock screen, just draw the pattern for the second space. And now we are back in the second space. Now I will go to settings and I want to show you some options for the second space. So here we have the second space settings, and from here you can turn off the password for the second space, and then you will switch from the settings. You can change the password, you can set a fingerprint. Also in the first space, you can enable a shortcut in the settings or a shortcut on home screen, like I have in the second space. Okay, show notifications for second space and show lock screen notifications. Now here we have the settings for the second space. I have a home screen shortcut. And also we have the notifications enabled from the first space. Now, if you want to move your data from the first space to the second space, you can do it. Just go here and select the apps that you want to move with the data, and then tap to continue. Now let's see other settings. You can switch between spaces also from here. And also you can enable a second space icon in the status bar. Now, if you want to delete the second space, you can do it from here. Just tap continue, or you can do it from the first space. Just go to settings and here go to additional settings, go to second space, and here we have a little delete icon. Tap on it and tap delete, and your second space will be gone. So this was my tutorial for today. You can create a second space. It's useful if you want to secure your data or install another apps and use it only you. I hope this video to be useful. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.